Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you in a quick way on how you can make money online. So this strategy, you are going to make money by taking surveys, downloading application, watching videos, and you are going to get paid. So let us head over to my smartphone. Let me quickly show you the application that is going to allow you to make this money. It's very important that you should watch this video. So once you come to your Google Play Store like this, what you need to do is to search for this website which is called FeaturePoints. So I will search for FeaturePoints just like this, and you click on search, and you are going to see a lot of application that is called FeaturePoint that is going to pop up, but it's this one that have the FP logo. So once it open up, this is how it look. What you need to do is to install it and register your own account. So you need to install it and register your own account. Once you have installed it, the next thing is for you to register your own account. So to register your account, you need to make sure you have a good email account, and you need to enter a good password. And if you want, you can use my referral code, which is money70, for you to get up to like 50 points. If you use my referral code, you will get up to 50 points if you use my referral code. So that is what I just want to let you know. So once you have registered your own account, you have entered how you want to use to receive your money, which you can do at the end. It's not even at the beginning. So fill up your profile properly once you have created your account. So now let me log into my own account and show you around this application and what you are going to get from this application. You can make good amount of money from FeaturePoint. Honestly, you can make good amount of money. So I'm going to click on open. So once it open, you'll be seeing your balance at the top. If you have any balance, if you don't have, everything will be showing 0. So once you come here to follow them on TikTok and S, you are going to get a point. That is what is good. So how do you make money with this application? You can make money by playing games. Let us say you want to make money by playing games. You can see this game which is Magnet Miner. So if I click on this Magnet Miner, let us say I want to play it. You'll be seeing, and you can earn $500 if you complete the task on this game. They are going to give you a lot of levels that you can complete on this game. If you are able to complete everything, you are going to make this $500. So if I click on it now, it's going to pop up. So you are just going to be patient for it to pop up. So you are going to see earn 526 cents if you complete the task. So this is what you are going to be doing. Reach level 100 in matters, reach level 300 in matters, reach level 300 in matters. So if you scroll down here, you are going to see every level that you are going to complete to be able to make this $500. So once you have completed all these whole tasks that you are seeing here, then your money in total will become how much? 526 cents or $26. So that is it. If you want to do it, we just need to click on start, and we are going to download the game on the Google Play Store and start playing it on our smartphone, and we are going to be making money. So I know some people will say, but if I download it on my smartphone, if I go and search for the game and download it, it will not work like that. You need to click the link from here so that FeaturePoint is going to track this procedure that you are taking from here, so that you'll be able to make money with it. That is how you do it. So I will click off now. So that is how you can play game and make money. So how can you earn money by taking surveys? So what you can do is to scroll down. You can see the section where it said surveys. You can take like a researcher as surveys. So you can just scroll down here and click on one of them. Let us say this one. Click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to pop this up. Here you'll be able to take surveys. You are going to earn from 10 points to 1,350 points if you take surveys on this project here. If you click on begin, then you are going to follow the process of how you can take the surveys and get paid in return by doing this. So that is how you can take surveys and make money. So that is how it works. On these ones here, those are surveys that you can take. 16-minute survey to 63 cents. A 10-minute survey at 33 cents, a 20-minute survey 30 cents. So it keeps on going and so on and so on and so on. So that is how you can make money with this application, which is called FeaturePoints. So I hope that you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying it, only what I'm asking from you is to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So when I click on win here, it's going to pop this up, and once it pop up here, what you can do is to do your daily scratch. You can do daily scratch here, and all this your daily scratch will allow you to make money too. So with those coins, you can use those coins to play games, earn more points, and that points can be converted into money, and it will give you more chance of winning more things on this session here. Let's also want to play anyone here. I click on this one, it's going to open up a thing, and I'm going to scratch. You know, when you scratch it like this, it's going to tell you that you have got one token. Click on that, and those token, you can go and use those token to play games like gambling, and you are going to get compensated if you do that. So that is what is good. It's like you are playing gambling here. So that is one thing that I just want to let you know of how you can make money with this platform. So you have the option to win money if you are doing all the daily tasks. So when we click on reward here, reward is the payment method that they have that you can use to receive your money. This is how you can receive your money if you want to receive your money. You can receive your money either through PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Apple, Starbucks, Walmart, PlayStation, Xbox Live, Target. It just depends on Nintendo and Target. It just depends on how you plan to receive your money. Remember, you need to select your country to be able to enter the gift card that you can use to redeem that money. So when I click on earn here, another way that you can use to earn money is the referral program. So when you refer anyone to this program, you are going to be earning 50% from them. You are going to be earning 50% from anything that they make. So that is one thing that is good when you refer people to this program. So don't forget to use my referral code so that we'll be earning from each other. This is a win-win, guys. This is a win-win. That is one thing that I just want to let you guys know. So that is it. Don't forget to like this video, share, and leave me a comment if you have any question in the comment section, guys. I really want to hear from you guys. So when I click on back of earn, so you already understand how you can use this application to make money by playing games, watching videos, and a lot of other things. So when we click on the section where it said progress, you are going to see the app that you have completed that is in progress here. They have not paid you. When you click on apps here, it's going to show you apps that you can download and make money from. So those are apps that you can download right now and you can make money from them. So you can see it here. When we click on games here, you will see the type of games that you can play and make good amount of money from, which you already saw in the main menu. And when we push more, click on offers here, you see that those ones you can make money too by playing games and a lot of other things that you can do. If you click on any one of those games, inside you'll find a lot of other things that you can use to make money from them too. When I click on online surveys here, you already know you can take surveys and get paid by doing this. So I hope that this video is helpful. If it's helpful, guys, wherever you are watching me from, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, just like this video, share it, and let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. So that is everything that I just want to let you know on this video. Don't forget, like, share this video, follow me from everywhere you are watching me from. Guys, follow me from everywhere that you are watching me from. I know some of you will be saying, but you're showing us, but you have not made money. Let me show you. I have made money a long time ago. I'm remaking this video because this is a way that some people who don't want to do hard job can use to earn some free cash. That is why I am making this video. So let me show you proof. I click on my profile here and I just need to scroll down and I'll click on purchase rewards. So once I click on that, you can see PayPal payment, $5, $5, $1, $3. So it keeps on going and so on and so on. So it's just to show you proof that I have made money from this program. I'm not just talking like that random person. So this is to just show you proof, guys. This is to just show you proof that I am making money with this strategy. I want you to go right now, like my video, share it, and let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. I will see you on my next upcoming video. Don't forget, like and comment. If you have any question, like and comment, subscribe.